Welcome to our channel. Today we how to remove a manager from Facebook business page, admin settings step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to facebook.com, then log into the account that has admin access to the page. Click your profile picture in the top right and select See All Profiles if you manage multiple profiles. From the left menu, click Pages and choose the business page you want to manage. Make sure you are viewing the page as the page, not as your personal profile. On the page, find the left side menu and click Settings. If you do not see Settings, click More first, then select Settings. In the Settings area, locate and click Page Access, or Page Roles and some layouts. Wait for the access list to load so you can see everyone who has roles on the page. In the People with Facebook Access section, identify the person listed as manager. Click the person's name to open their access details. Review their current permissions to confirm you selected the correct account. Click the three dots next to their name or the Manage button, depending on your interface. Choose Remove Access or Remove from Page. If you are using Business Manager, click Business Settings instead of Page Settings. Inside Business Settings, click Accounts in the left menu. Select Pages and then choose the correct page from the list. Click People to view everyone assigned to that page through the business. Find the manager you want to remove and click their name. Click Remove to revoke their page permissions. Facebook may ask you to enter your password to confirm the change. If two-factor authentication is enabled, complete the verification code step. After confirmation, refresh the page to make sure the person no longer appears in the access list. If the person still appears, check if they have access through a partner business. Go to Partners in Business Settings and look for any connected business that grants them access. Remove the partner or adjust partner permissions if needed. Also check if the person is assigned through a Meta Business account group or system user. Repeat the removal process until only the correct admins and editors remain. Finally, test page security by confirming you can still publish and manage settings as an admin. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.